Hey everyone, and welcome back. Today we're taking your phone's personalization a step further by installing a custom boot animation. This cool little tweak replaces the default animation you see when you boot up your phone with something new and exciting. Now, to get started, you'll need a rooted Android phone and a Root File Explorer app. In this video, I'll be using Solid Explorer, but there are many great options available on the Google Play Store. Alright, so first things first, head down to the video description and download the boot animation that catches your eye. We've got fantastic choices waiting for you there. Once you've downloaded your chosen animation, open your Root File Explorer app. With Solid Explorer, you'll need to enable root access in the settings menu. Here's a crucial step: rename the file to bootanimation.zip if it doesn't already have that name. Now, with your trusty Root Explorer, copy the bootanimation.zip file. We're going to paste it into a specific location on your phone's system directory. Once the file is copied, it's time for the grand finale. Reboot your phone and voila! You should see your new custom boot animation play proudly during startup. That's all it takes. Now you can show off your unique style every time you boot up your phone. If you ever want to switch back to the original boot animation, simply delete the boot animation zip file you copied and reboot again. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to leave a comment below and let me know which boot animation you chose. And if you have any questions, hit that like button and subscribe for more cool Android customization tricks.